Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Monster High Goal mobile. So I didn't see this movie yet, but uh, you know this casting looked really nice and also a bit on the cuter side. So I just thought this would make a good addition. When it comes to showcasing the collection, and it has a lot of spider webs and all. Personally, being a Spider-Man fan, I just loved that black spider webs, and it is really, you can see that unlike the green Toyota Supra which they released, and it has dark green glittery paint job along with black tribal tattoo livery. So that didn't even look very well. I mean, it is not even visible when you are looking at the casting. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. I was originally thinking about buying two of these ones, but end of the day it was like okay, I don't want to spend that much on Hot Wheels, so I just went with one and then I stopped it. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, okay, they did really well. You can see the logo and spider webs here. The paint job looks really amazing. It's a very mild glittering purple, and it's not too glittery, but it is very, I really wish they made it too glittery, because that would have been more beautiful for the specific casting. Okay, so this entire body part is metal. So this part here along with the fenders and all, these are plastic. Those are not metal. So it does have headlight details which looks really nice. Okay, so the rims looks really nice. I mean, the paint job on the rims, it matches with the fenders and everything. You can see the spider web here. I don't see any paint job issue so far, at least. So it doesn't have any rear view, sorry, tail light details and all. I'm not sure about the actual car in the movie, how it looks. So if anyone of you actually watched this particular movie, and if you think how accurate this casting is, just do let me know in the comments. Okay, so the chassis is plastic, as you can see. So overall the casting looks really beautiful. I don't have any problem with it. So you can see the spider webs throughout here, which looks really awesome. So I'm really thinking about keeping somewhere, in this case here. But see, this one actually matches with this particular Volkswagen here, more or less. And there is another Nissan on top. So this this color scheme really pops right away. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, it's 27 grams. Okay, that is really nice. Comes closer to that Nissan which we unboxed, the tuned version. So it really sits really nice. It looks really cool in this particular angle. Let's do a roll test and see how it rolls. Okay, it does roll really well. Okay, so the front wheel does wobble, but still it reaches at least till this end. Okay, rear wheel also does wobble, but anyway, no, I'm not sure how many of you guys are going to play with it, but it will be a good addition if you have kids, more specifically. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.